for a knife. No, you do it the other way.
Yeah, I know. Please don't perform surgery on yourself. Please use common sense. Boys, back up. He's wild with that thing.
No, you need to cut off of it. That's laptop. In there. Laptop. What's in the other one?
Let's see it, Michaela. Wow, that looks really familiar.
It's exactly like you on the laptop.
It is, isn't it cool?
On a laptop.
Okay, hold it up, Michaela.